reality is warming. Sometimes it's like a bird that's never shipped out. Sometimes you go around but I'll never run your rail. This week has been a mess, but I wanna tell you. When I did our work, gonna make it brand new. We're gonna plow the way for a comeback. We all in the sunshine and I promise you that. Promise you that.
下来以为这是苹果，
就是买不买这样。
大鱼好吃吗？好吃吗？你敢吃这个冰水豆吗？
很好吃，超好吃。
你可以配饭吃，吃看看。你吃看看，好吃吗？